So, hello my friends and welcome back to the EV Empathic Voice Interface channel. My name is Gerd Benning. Now you see me in the video for the first time. And I am currently in Germany and I have a very good friend of mine, Anand Yadav, with us. Anand, where are you right now?
Yeah, I am in India and currently in India, I am from in Kolkata
Yeah.
location.
And when I was trying to implement EV with React, it didn't work. Maybe you saw my previous video, and then Anand told me, like, why do you do React? It's a nice thing, but it's easier. And then we found out that there is an easier way. Where is my mouse? Come on. And this is described here in the quick start. And Anand said, "Yeah, come on, I will explain what to do and all the stuff that we did." And so, but at first, I want to show. It's so frustrating. Create a video and then say like, "Oh, we failed." So at first I want to show that Anand and I succeeded. So in the end, you will get a script running on your local host that there's a button to authenticate, and so when you implement that in your whatever kind of website or whatever you can do this authentication in the background, of course. And I will now press the start button and show to you that how with the basically non-design here how this chatbot is implemented and how it works. Hi, how are you doing?
I am doing great. Thanks for asking. How can I assist you today?
What do you know about TypeScript?
TypeScript is a superset of JavaScript that adds static typing to the language. It helps catch errors early and improve code quality. Have you worked with TypeScript before?
Yes, I did to get you going. So you see, it's giving a time code. It's differentiating between user and assistant, and then the messages come out, and you can further process this. Come on,
Yes.
so so and so in this quick start example, we simply went for these hume EVI TypeScript.
GitHub repo.
Please.
Yeah, it's Hume GitHub repo. So you can go there. Like when you will click,
Yeah.
and you will go there, and you will find all the application here. But
Yeah.
we need only human API example.
Yeah.
So so go to human API example. Go one folder back.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
just to explain it, I try to repeat it. So the problem is you can't download this here, and so you have to go back to the upper level where you have all of the examples. And here we were downloading the zip.
Yes.
That
Fine.
also was an issue. So and among all of these examples, and by the way, in these examples, there's this TypeScript example that we will do, and there's also Next.js pages router. So and Next.js app router. So the maybe like when I got stuck, maybe I should have used that. Yeah.
It's routing things when suppose that you are visiting any website and you are clicking any link, suppose that home page, like there is home section, about section, another section. When you are clicking on that home section, it will give the details of the home page. When you will click on about, so it will give the about page of the details. So this is the routing things. So routing modules like that it will work. So this is the for the app router. It's here for EVI Next.js.
Cool.
Yeah.
And but this TypeScript example, as we saw, gives us a very clean, very easy to implement stuff, and then you copy it into a folder, and then what you have to do is simply create this .env file. And what is important, what I struggled with, is in this .env file, I have to give the write _hume_api_key.
So Okay, so let me explain. So .env file have environmental all the API like keys, secret keys. You can say all the secret key you have to store in the one like .env file. Okay, so it will not like when you will push the code in GitHub or GitLab. So you don't have to push your secret key. So that's why we have to create .env file, and we have to add the .env file in the git ignore when you will push the code in GitLab or GitHub. So it will not push your secret key like .env folder. It will like file not, it will not push. So as a separate, as a secure way, you have to put the credential as a safe. So you have to create .env file, and you have to keep here we are using two keys. So one is API keys and one is secret key. So we have put it the that API key and secret key in .env file. As here we can't show the publicly, but I can give the brief info.
Yeah, wonderful. And it's just 2 lines, and you start byte hume API key equals, and then comes the key. And I will not click on this one, then you would see mine. That's I will not do that.
Yes.
And that is basically like we copy it, you create this file, and what do you do next?
Yeah. So first you have to redirect to exact folder like EVI, like which application do you want to run. So you have clone all the git project, but on there, can you go the browser? Go to browser on GitHub.
Yeah.
Okay, so here lot of projects. So you have to redirect to EVI typescript example in your download section. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So go to your local folder.
Okay. So we do the whole download. Okay.
Yeah.
So then let's show that in the file explorer. So
yeah.
you download the zip.
Yes, you download the zip.
Then you open it, and I will bring it in. Here it is. And from these many, you only need this.
Yes, this one. You have
and
to
you
open VS Code. This only this folder.
Yeah, it's in the download folder. So maybe you copy it to another place at first, right?
Yeah.
And then in VS Code, you file.
Yes.
You open this folder.
Yeah. It's like basic things, not an issue.
Yeah.
So okay. So when you will clone this example like EVI TypeScript example, so here only like as a first time you don't have a node modules, because like you have to do commands. Then it will open the package.json file, because here open the package. Yes. So when you will first like when you cloning the first time this project, you will go like node modules here.
Yeah, these will not be there, right?
Yeah, it will not.
They
when
will.
You will run the command npm install, then it will come. It will
Okay.
install the dependency.
So
and how?
Just a moment. So you do npm install.
You can do.
We can overwrite it. Yeah.
No. It will not overwrite. It will check.
Okay.
And yeah, you can do. Not an issue. It will.
Yeah.
Yes, it's already up to date. So it will take all the dependency from package.json. Like all the dependency. You can see dependency.
That's all what is built in here. It will take that and download the modules and put them there.
Yes. Okay. So after all the dependency, all the like what dependency have this project, it will install in node modules. Then you have to do like you have to start your server. So for that you have to start like for TypeScript or npm like you have to do only npm run. Okay. But in the package.json here they have defined for the start of the server dev. So you have to do npm run dev.
This is the dev, and it starts this white thing. I don't know why.
Yeah.
White.
So you have to do npm run dev and hit enter. Yes. Yeah. So it will start your server localhost 5173 and go to index.html.
Yeah.
Here. No. Here. In after package.json there is one file index.html.
Here.
Yes, yes. So here like all the title, like it's the page of user will see on the browser,
Yeah,
this index.html. Okay, so like a start button, end button, chat, and
yeah.
authentication button, and like title of the page, all these things.
And this is the file that you will also change when you implement EV into your own website.
Hmm, 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 hmm. Yes, and open main.ts.
Main.ts,
Yes,
yes.
here all the code is go for whole things, like all the code what you have implemented and what the git that project have implemented, it will go there, and here all the function it will go here,
Yeah.
it's written in here.
So, and I basically have to upload that onto a web server, and then it will run on any web server. So we can simply integrate that, and you see like this link here
So
is
the server
exactly,
has been started, so just go on the browser, or also like control click on
yeah,
go there and click on control and click on
yeah.
that, yeah,
Now it
it will
opened it, and
make it
here it
on
is.
server. Yes. Now you have to authenticate. It will match what you have put it the
Yeah,
authentication key, like API key and secret key. If
yeah,
it will verify, then you have to start chatting with this
yeah,
this little application.
yeah. And this is the new window, and this was the old one. Um,
Yes.
but here the same thing. You authenticate. It's using these keys in the background,
Keys and
and when
API
I
key.
click start, microphone comes up, and we can talk to Evie.
Yes.
Whoa there, phones up. Let's chat with Evie. Sounds like a fun time ahead.
Yeah, we are so happy that we get you going with TypeScript and can integrate you now into our own websites.
Yeah.
That's great. Exciting times ahead with TypeScript. Integrating me into your websites will bring a whole new level of interaction.
What kind of interactions can you imagine?
Oh, I can imagine. See, injections like injecting humor, empathy, and understanding into conversations to make them more engaging and meaningful.
Yeah, he's always about emotions and meaningful and so on. So yeah, cool. So I know you have your ideas, whatever you will want to do with it, and this approach is, I think, the easiest implementation. And then I will close this now down. This is the YouTube channel of Anand. You're not only a coder, you are also somebody who's creating videos. Can you explain a little bit about your videos?
Yeah. So like in weekend, like when I have a time to travel somewhere place, like some new places and visiting some places, so like I make videos about like experience, how you have to go there, and what things you have to care about it, like all these things. So like I make videos about things, and like I upload on YouTube channel to get the update things, or also like awareness, like you have to keep aware all the when you are going that places. So like I make videos about bloggings, like I when I will travel anywhere, like I make videos. Okay, so like I have uploaded all the videos here, like where I have traveled, like as of now. So you can go there and watch my videos.
Yeah. The
This
name is I am Anand Raj, and that's what you are, who you are.
Yes, yes.
Thank you so much. So, like, the video now is 14 minutes. It was great fun creating it for me. I hope you enjoyed it too.
Yeah.
And I will share it with you soon. So let's see, and then hope to see you again in the next video. Thank you so much, Anand. Namaste to Kolkata,
Namaste, namaste. Thank you.
and see you next time on this channel. Bye bye.